The Nike Air Max DN8 black leather delivers a clean yet powerful take on modern sneaker design. Covered entirely in deep jet black, the shoe relies on texture rather than color to stand out. Premium leather dominates the upper, enhanced by flowing stitch lines from toe to heel that add depth and movement. Layered leather panels subtly catch light, giving the silhouette a refined but aggressive look. The standout feature is the innovative air cushioning system, with 8 independent circular air pods visible in the heel. These transparent chambers contrast sharply with the black upper, highlighting Nike's focus on performance-driven design. A matte midsole balances the shine of the leather, while mesh elements on the tongue and collar improve comfort and flexibility. Vibrant orange DN branding and a discreet swoosh add just enough visual tension. Blending classic materials with futuristic technology, the Air Max DN8 black leather represents the evolution of Nike Air with confidence and precision.